Good morning, everyone. I welcome all of you for the Nobel Prize 2020 online lectures conducted by the Science Forum of Yuvarajas College, Mysuru. I am Akshar A of 5th semester Molecular Biology and I will be your host for the morning session. Before we begin, I request all the participants to turn off their mic and videos so that there is no disturbance during the lecture. To begin the program, I would like to request Professor H.C. Devraje Gowda, Administrative Officer, Yuvarajas College, Mysuru, to do the inaugural address. Over to you, sir.
Very good morning to all. Today we have joined on the online platform to celebrate the award given for basic science contribution for three disciplines, namely physiology and medicine, chemistry and physics. We are all waiting eagerly to hear three eminent scientists from three reputed institutes of our country. On behalf of University of Mysore, Yuvaraja College, I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to Dr. Tirupati, scientist from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and Dr. P. Chandrasekhar from Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, and also Professor Ganeshan Srinivasan, Emeritus Professor from Raman Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore. Yuvaraja College is one of the oldest science colleges in the state of Karnataka and is going to complete 100 years of its establishment in another 8 years. Our college has been privileged of the good support extended by University of Mysore for all our efforts. We are all grateful to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Hemant Kumar, for encouraging us in all our academic endeavors. We are considered as a potential college of excellence by University Grant Commission and obtained 3.34 grade during the third cycle of NAC accreditation. We are getting ready for the fourth cycle of NAC accreditation. Our college has many accomplishments and its credits. Many students are bagging international fellowships for research programs, and students are supported to go to summer internships. Thus, we extended good support of our students to move ahead in basic science. Good number of teachers are carrying our basic science research in the college along with their regular teaching. Many of them have bagged major research projects and successfully completed them. I am proud to mention that they have done many publications in many international journals also. We are inspiring our student community in basic science studies and research in the direction of making the students understand the latest development in science. We are arranging seminars and conferences. One such program is the Nobel Prize Lecture Series. Remember with gratitude Mr. Dorai Krishnan, retired scientist of Baba Atomic Research Center, Bombay, who was instrumental in initiating this lecture series in our college. Basic science contributions, namely discovery of hepatitis C virus, genome editing and research on black hole have impacted the society a lot. Thus, the fruit of such research has reached the people to come up with many more contributions. Seeing the significance, the Swedish Swedish Nobel Academy have announced Nobel Prizes in the respective category. You will be hearing about these from the accomplished scientists today. I hope the students, research scholars, faculty, scientists, and other academicians would make the best use of this program. I am very happy that Science Forum of our college is organizing this event, which will bring lot of credit to our college. I congratulate the members of Science Forum to make taking such initiative in our college. I wish the success to this program and wish all the audience to make the best use of our program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Dr. N.S. Devaki, convener, Science Forum, Yuvaraja College, Mysuru, to convey the significance of today's program.
Very good morning to all. Respected invited speakers of today, Dr. Shashank Tripathi, Dr. Chandrasekhar, and Professor Srinivasan, beloved principal of our college, Dr. Yashoda Madam. One second, please wait. Okay, there is some technical issue. Within 2 minutes, we will solve. I will come back.
Excuse me, ma'am, your voice is not audible.
There is actually a small technical error, a technical issue. So we are waiting that to be resolved. Ma'am will be back.
ಅಕ್ಷರ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಪ್ಪ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಹಲೋ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ Okay.
We are sorry for the small inconvenience. Network call. So I would like to request again Dr. N.S. Devaki, convener, Science Forum, Raja College, Mysuru, to convey the significance of today's program to the participants.
Very good morning to all. Respected invited speakers of today, Dr. Shashank Tripathi, Dr. Chandrasekhar, and Professor Srinivasan, beloved principal of our college, Dr. Yashodha Madam, Administrative Officer, Dr. Devaraja Gowda, Controller of Examination, Dr. H.B. Mahesha, IQAC Coordinator, Dr. Vidya, and all the participants. I am delighted to speak a few words on today's program. Nobel Prize. Every student would have heard about this. Awarded to groundbreaking research contributions on basic science, which has great impact on the well-being of humanity. The prizes are awarded with such a noble thought. By arranging the lecture series, we feel we are joining hands to celebrate the award and offer respect to award winners. How the Nobel Prize 2020 lecture series program got conceptualized is already mentioned by our Administrative Officer, Dr. Devaraja Gowda. In our journey of continuous effort to motivate young minds, many academic programs are organized by our college. We always aim at making the program student-centric. We celebrate science in various ways. One such is the Eureka Science Fest. Another one that is recently added to this list is today's program. Thus, during 31st October 2019, we organized the Nobel Prize Lecture Series where Dr. Purshat Rajaguru from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Dr. Prem Kumar from CER, Karaikudi, Rajaram Nityananda from Azim Premji University spoke on medicine and physiology, chemistry and physics Nobel Prize respectively. We are proud to mention that many of our alumni received various awards for achieving excellence and innovations in science research. During 2018, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award in Biological Science was backed by Dr. Ganesh Nagaraj, Associate Professor, Indian Institute of Science. We are proud to say that he is an alumnus of our college. Thus, we feel that many more groundbreaking contributions can come from our college alumni. We strive hard to motivate our students in this direction by arranging programs like this. I wish to share a few sentences on the Nobel Prize for the benefit of our students. Nobel Committee in Sweden and Norway announce the awardees in the month of October every year. Prizes are presented in Stockholm, Sweden on 10th December every year, which happens to be the anniversary of Alfred Nobel's death. This year, the Nobel Committee has decided to have the award ceremony online, held in the respective countries of the winners. Nobel awardees are given with a Nobel medal, Nobel diploma, and a document confirming the Nobel Prize amount. This year's prize amount is Swedish kroner of 10 million for full Nobel Prize. About the awardees, our invited speakers of eminence will be telling you all. I hope that all participants will have an academic feast and celebration of science today. Thank you one and all. Now you are going to be hearing about the lecture in physiology and medicine by Shashank Tripathi. Thank you.